Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes and welcome to the video of this absolutely stunning Suzuki GSX-S1000F. It's a 2020 on a 20 plate and it's only done 8,196 miles. This one's had a hell of a lot of money spent on it, which we'll come to in a second, but as you can see it's got the LED upgrade in the lights. It's got some aftermarket small little indicators there as well. These do run the GSX-R1000 K7 K8 engine, so you do get a slipper clutch. You also get adjustable traction control and ABS. This one's fitted with some aftermarket Evotech protection, also some protection on the engine case in there. You've got the Lextek rear sets, Lextek decap pipe and the Yoshimura R11 exhaust and the R11 Yoshimura hanger. It's got the seat cowl on the bike, heated grips, you get Renful fat bars as standard on these, and just a fantastic bike to ride. This one has also been fitted with a Translogic quick shifter as well, because they don't come standard with them, so that's an aftermarket part. We'll give it a fire up so you can hear it. And there you go, that is the Suzuki GSX-S1000F. It's an absolute beauty. Normally bikes like this sell immediately, and I'm sure this one will as well. So if you do want it, give us a call or get yourself down to Jordanbikes and get it snapped up before someone else does. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.